What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Halfway Kicks. Be sure to follow our Instagram page at halfway_kicks. I go by AJ.
And I go by Bendo.
And we got one more person here today who's become a regular degular to the
fact
team.
checker
Extraordinaire.
Say your name. Who are you?
What up? It's Drew.
Hey.
That's
Back again.
a little bit of a sexy voice.
He said he had the radio voice on.
He do got the radio voice on.
But anyway, man, what do we have today?
In this video, we're going to be taking a look. You probably saw it from the thumbnail, but we're taking a look at the Air Jordan 13 Brave Blue.
Brave Blue.
Why do they call it Brave Blue?
they change the name so many times on these ones.
Yeah.
Right? Like Carolina Blue, Brave Blue, we got the Flint Blue.
Flints, yeah.
You know what? We don't know.
We don't know why they do what they do, but they do it.
Sneakers app posted Brave Blue. We're like, okay, cool. This is the Brave Blue 13s. All right, that's what it is.
And everybody just goes with it.
Yeah.
So that's what we got today. We got the video for the Brave Blue 13s. I think first we're gonna show you another pair, like we've been doing in other videos.
Yeah.
Kind of compare.
Well, we are gonna show you the 2017 low version, which is the OG retro, because when the Brave Blue came out first, what year? 1998.
1998. He's double checking.
But let's say 98, right? So they came out low top 13s, and
should we take them out?
Take them out.
While you talk about it, I'll take them out.
So yeah, this is
the paper is just not up to par.
It's plain, regular white.
There you go.
So I have worn these. These are probably one of my favorite 13s, just because my dad had these ones.
Oh, really?
And I used to steal it from him when I would go out. And
that's pretty dope that your dad had these.
Sorry, Dad. Yeah, you had these. You probably saw more creases in them day by day just because I was rocking them.
These are pretty nostalgic for you too.
Oh
then.
yeah. This is I would say these are one of my grails.
Okay.
Just because of that.
Yeah.
That fact that my dad had them, and I was like, oh my god, my dad had some Joeys and
Yeah.
I want them. But I was able to wear them because we ended up being the same size. And yeah, man. So
that's
these
dope,
are.
Man. Shout out to Pops.
Thanks, Pops, for copping them. But yeah, so the weird thing about this is that they got the metallic Jumpman right here. It's usually the what do they call it? The hologram.
Hologram.
He is on point.
He is
Cougar.
You are undervalued.
Cougar
Panther. It's a panther eye.
Panther? Okay. All right. Why do you have cougar on your mind?
So you got the panther eyes, right? That's what it usually is, but this is metallic. You know what I just recently noticed, like today years old, that if you flip this little flap up right here, it says 13. I have never known that.
You just found that out today?
Today.
Fact checker, did you know that?
I did.
See?
Oh, you did? Really? Oh.
These, not this colorway, but these
You've seen them?
first,
Yeah.
Jordans, actually.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, when I was in 6th grade.
Oh, damn.
Was that the cherries that you stole from he didn't steal nothing.
You stole someone's cherries? Oh, you bad boy.
Cherry 13s. Cherry 13s, not the cougar.
Oh,
this is
okay.
panther.
I thought you took a cougar's cherry,
But yeah, man, so this is nostalgic for me. That's why I had to grab these.
Yeah.
And
I know you were really excited when we saw that they were coming out. You're like, I gotta get these.
the high tops, right?
Yeah.
It's high tops, but it's very similar to what this is.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and open
Let me take that one.
other one. When did these come out?
I think the 30th.
They come out April 29th.
Oh, it's the
April
29th.
29th.
Okay, so it's the 29th of April on
You
the
know.
Sneakers
Sneakers app. $200.
$200.
Man. But you know, shout out to GOAT because they had them available early for a decent price.
You got them pretty quick, actually, because
Yeah.
Goat didn't send them pretty late, right?
Shit, the Rebellionaires was like months after.
Yeah.
So go ahead and check
Oh,
these
man.
out. So the Panther Eye, this is what it is right here. And
I might
it scared me.
I might cut that out. I might cut that out. I might cut that out.
And they got the hologram on here too.
Yeah.
I had the playoff 13s growing up, and it was a size 6, right? A 6.5.
Mhm.
So I used to live in Japan, and my mom copped them for me. I wore the 13s so much that it had a hole on the toe box right here.
I had a hole in the toe.
You too?
Also,
Oh shit!
Oh, y'all real cute right now.
Oh, you know, this is a moment. He's sharing a moment right
That's
now.
crazy.
But yeah, I don't know why it had a hole, but
And it was like on top of the toe box. It wasn't
Yeah.
even like
Like
it's
right
not
here?
like you
Yeah,
you
it
would
was up
think
there.
you would think it'd be like on the side right here or whatever, but no, it was like on the top.
Yeah.
That's really strange.
That was
Is that
legit like mine.
is that a bootleg Jordan J's that we
It
got?
can't be because you both got a pair. So what's happened to all of them?
Yeah, one from Japan and one from here? No
Yeah.
way.
I mean, that's strange, bro.
Yeah.
Nah,
I
but
thought that was,
Unless y'all got some talons in your feet.
it's a big old feet. That's why.
You got some big old nails.
But, yeah, retail is what?
200. And they
200.
drop on April 29th on the Sneakers app.
So
Drip?
yeah.
All right.
this is a little early vid for you guys. Check them out to see if you like them. Comment what you guys don't like about the 13 because they haven't been like really popping like that.
Yeah, I mean
You
those white. What was that called? The white and yellow
The
ones.
Del Sol.
Del Sols
Del
came
Sol
out.
13s.
They tanked top. Nobody really bought those.
They're still in stock and they're still in
Yeah.
stores. You know,
I like those though. I do like them. I just didn't buy them, but I do like them.
if we had endless amount of
Yeah,
I think
But-
13s are hard to wear as well. If you're not
yeah.
looking,
yeah.
I think that kind of.
We live in LA. We can always wear everything with
Yeah.
shorts.
What's
That's why.
What's your favorite? Well, or a couple of your favorite Jordan 13s.
Oh,
Obviously, these are because they're
man.
nostalgic for you.
My favorite, just because 2019 was actually the first time I was able to cop was the Flint 13. So Flint 13s.
I think those are my favorite ones. But most popular probably He Got Game, right?
Probably because they had
Because of the
Dorn.
movie.
They had
Yeah.
Dornbecker 13s, and
Yeah.
those were. This is it, the picture right here. Boom, Dornbecker 13s. Nobody wanted them, not him. So He Got Game, Flint 13s, these, and Cherry
The ones he stole.
Grey Toes. That's what they call them. Grey
Grey
Toes,
are
yeah.
fire.
Red Flints.
Those are the ones I stole. Those are the ones I stole.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. Nah, this was years ago. He stole them.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Wait, is Sports Chalet still open?
Who?
What's a sports chalet?
Sports Chalet closed a long time ago.
Okay, yeah.
No, they went out with radio show.
Oh yeah, I stole them with them.
Yeah, it took him.
Right.
Yeah, one of us walked right out. You know?
Oh yeah.
He looted before looting was cool. How
How
about you, Drew? What's your favorite 13?
My favorite 13? I need to look some
Tough, huh?
Yeah. Oh, I mean, I
Yeah.
guess playoffs because
They're your first?
those are my first.
Yeah.
You know.
Seems like it always comes back to what's like giving you
Your
like
first.
the biggest memory about them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
For sure.
That's cool, man. Yeah, I think my only memory is the movie. So
You
I
got
never
it.
owned 13s, but Flint's and He Got Games were always my two favorite of the 13s.
Oh man. Oh, the Ray Allen, the Boston Celtics 13.
Yeah.
The
Is
mel-
that
have you
white
seen
in
the melon ones? The black and yellow?
Oh, CP3 also had one
Yeah.
too.
there? He did.
Yeah, I forgot all about that.
They're
I think
expensive.
you got those from me at Finish Line when you was when you were working at Finish
Maybe.
Line.
Probably.
You still
No.
He did not steal those. Finish Line
They're
is
still in operation.
an operating business. He did not steal those. Fun fact, I don't have the picture anymore, but I was featured in the Sneakers app wearing the He Got Games.
Oh, for real? Oh,
Yeah.
you were. That's right.
When
That's right.
when they were doing
insert
here, when they were doing the
What is that, balls?
spirit fingers.
Oh.
Tickle. I don't know. You choose.
that's a different spirit finger. When they were doing the what is the documentary that MJ did right before
Last Dance.
The Last Dance. Yeah, they every week they would have people sending in pictures of them watching it and seeing what they had on, and I was the first one to get featured out.
There it is.
But anyway, yeah, man. So 13 Brave Blue. You like these?
Brave Blue. I do like them.
Those definitely are. I like those.
These are hard to wear though. What would you wear with these?
Probably with shorts, because I feel like with jeans, they're unless you're wearing maybe a baggier jean, a skinny jean might look a little clownish. Like I feel like it's gonna make the shoe look too big.
How's the tongue on that? Do these have a high tongue like the 5s?
It seemed like it. It goes higher than the shoe, so that'll be hard to wear with jeans, huh?
Yeah. So I would probably just wear it with shorts, but I don't know. I feel like I like the lows a little bit better.
The lows is definitely easier to wear, but would you wear these with jeans and then put the rubber bands on the bottom?
Throw it back.
I don't do well with rubber.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not into the rubber.
No? Never have?
No.
When was the last time you did the
Okay, just wild dog it then, huh?
Oh God. I'm sorry, is this PG?
So you raw dog everything?
Oh
okay.
my God. No socks, you know? Nah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I feel like with a baggier jean, or a baggier cargo, it could look good.
I do like the hologram.
I do
The
like
hologram on the bottom and on the panther cougar eyes.
You know, if you wore like a baggier cargo or pant, you would not even know that these aren't the new Brave Blues.
No.
True.
No, you wouldn't. Interessante, huh?
Shout out.
Shout out to
where that came
Meg.
from.
Shout out to Meg.
That's like my favorite term
ever?
or slogan. What is that?
A saying?
Yeah. Can we get that trademark, or she can trademark that? Huh?
She would have to do that, not us.
What if we do it before her?
We're gonna get sued.
I Kicks first lawsuit.
You know, but yeah, baggy jeans in Disneyland, rocking these.
I feel yeah.
These 13s are comfortable though. 13s are comfortable to be like on feet walking around in.
You know what? Maybe I'm gonna pick up one.
Yeah, you should.
Maybe I will.
This might be the first one because I don't think they're gonna release any more.
Okay, I'm gonna try on April 29th. Sneakers app, $200.
Sneakers app. Shout out to them, huh?
Yeah, please give me some positive vibes, Sneakers.
But yeah, here it is, Brave Blue 13s. Do we consider these highs then?
I don't know. They look. I mean, if they are highs, they look a little mid-ish to me.
Because the box just has Air Jordan 13 Retro, Navy University Blue Black. Huh?
Are they high or mid?
I would say mid. Mid-ish high.
Mid-ish high.
Mid-ish high.
Like 3/4.
These are so mid, you know.
They're so mid right now.
But yeah, hey, this is 3M. Took a picture earlier
they
too. Okay. Yeah, and I thought it wasn't, but I took a picture. It is 3M. What's the other one that came in 3M? Flints,
Breads.
and the breads. Let us know if you got any special requests on the paper. What Jordan Brand could have done differently on the paper.
Yeah,
You
maybe
know?
it's because it's a retro. They're not doing any special.
The special thing on the box too is that this is the original box that came in 1998. So I like this aspect of the shoe. It's still the face box would be the best one to me.
Yeah.
But
so yeah, man. Yeah. All right. Well, I mean, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Do you want to say anything before we go?
subscribe, like, and comment.
Oh, that was not planned. That was not planned. But yeah, subscribe, like, and comment. Be sure to check out our IG because we do post some reels on there. But yeah, thank you for hanging out. We will catch you in the next video.
And peace.
Subtle changes, but I think they're good changes.
I hope so. I hope it equals to 6K views. Help us grow so he can keep raw docking shit.
You can see the volume right there on the bottom.
Yeah.
The volume.
See how loud?
Yeah.
When it gets all the way to them, we're being too loud.
Hey.
Undo.
Hi. Are we ready? We're not ready.
Well, hello everyone.
Hi.
Let's run it back.